విశాఖ నోవెటెల్ హోటల్లో ఇండియా యూరోప్ బిజినెస్ పార్ట్నర్షిప్ రౌండ్ టేబుల్ సమావేశానికి ఏపీ సీఎం చంద్రబాబు హాజరయ్యారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
After global changes, if you see, everybody wanted to have wealth and everybody wanted to have better living standards. That is the order of the day. So I wanted to request all of you here. We are very strong in so many areas. Earlier I started high-tech city with IT. Now I am starting AI related to anything, data center, space, drones, electronics, aerospace, semiconductor, you name anything, we are very strong here. And also recently, Government of India has announced quantum mission. We started quantum computer is coming to Andhra Pradesh, that is Amravati. And also after that I asked my people, why can't you made quantum computers itself? I am assuring you within 2 years we are going to produce quantum computers. Any country want, we are going to provide quantum computers. Even drone technology, all of us are aware, future is drones and also robotics. We are having a drone city itself. There I want to go for defense and civilian applications also. Either to manufacture drones, prepare use cases, and also training, everything we are working in a big way. So that is another area. Our Honorable Prime Minister has announced space applications in private sector. Now we are creating space city so that anybody is having any interest in space, satellites launching everything, you can come and launch. Ready-made infrastructure is available in Andhra Pradesh. That is our strength now. With all these things, I am requesting all of you, not only this, we are having very, very common objective as a vision, that is green energy. Long back, 2.5 decades back, I started power sector reforms, first of its kind in India. At that time, regulatory commission, everything we set up. Today we are very strong, as our Chandrajit Banerjee has rightly mentioned. 25 years back, we developed a green building in Hyderabad. Only next to America, we developed in Hyderabad. That was the beginning. Now we are very strong in solar, wind, pumped storage. Now everything is going on very well. We are having additional advantage of ports, 1,000 kilometers on east coast. We are having strong vision on logistics. Honorable Minister has rightly mentioned, we are having very strong idea about it. Every 50 kilometers, that means 20 ports are going to come in Andhra Pradesh, that too on east coast, hub and spoke model. Even we are having excellent air connectivity. We are going to have 3 major airports and also connecting to feeder airports. Within 1 hour time, anywhere you can reach an airport, and then national, international connectivity we are establishing. We are having excellent rail network, connecting to ports, connecting to Indian cities, markets, everything. Now with all these things, again logistics parks, everything we are working. So what I wanted to emphasize here, we are having a very ambitious plans on solar energy. We are having, India is going to add 500 gigawatts capacity, another 6-7 years solar energy or green energy. In that, Andhra Pradesh is going to contribute 160 gigawatts. You can imagine the scope, how we are going now. 78.5 gigawatts solar energy, 35 gigawatts wind energy, 22 gigawatts pumped storage, 25 gigawatts battery storage. We are already achieving very good progress. 10 lakh crores we are going to attract only on green energy immediately. That is the strength as on now. If you see ease of doing business earlier, now we are talking speed of doing business. Once you decide to invest in India, in Andhra Pradesh, then it will become our business. All clearances we are going to get on war footing immediately. If you see here, recently one industry, Premier Energies, one call, one deal, 45 days, all approvals are over, completed. Now they are starting manufacturing. It is 6,000 crores investment, 3,500 jobs they are going to provide. Recently, Reliance had an experience. Breweries, they started in Andhra Pradesh. September, they started the application, they put application, immediately we cleared. February, they are going to commence the production. You can imagine the speed. This is second largest globally. They are going to set up in Andhra Pradesh. That is the speed of doing business we are doing now. Even Google same. Within days we are able to clear. Now tomorrow, day after tomorrow, they are going to lay the foundation. And also, one of the biggest investment, RCR Mittal. This is a steel plant. We are launching now, another tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This is nearly 1,30,000 crores investment in Andhra Pradesh. Friends, what I wanted to impress upon you, incentives, we are better than anybody. Speed of doing business, nobody can match us. Once you decide to come here, it is a win-win situation. Once you put an application, all clearances, everything, we'll get it done. Not only that, we'll provide escort officer also to follow up and help you to the logical conclusion. Ultimately, business. Nowadays, distance is not the constraint. Especially from Europe, friends. Germany is here. They are having strong knowledge. Now, you are having abundant opportunities in Andhra Pradesh. Europe is, from the beginning I have seen, that is where I am asking our Honorable Minister, Armenia has just now spoke. He had similar vision what I am having. I really appreciate him. You are also very aggressive. I can smell within no time. You are very positive, progressive, and also very, very enthusiastic. You want to do everything real time. That is the speed all of us has to think as policy makers. In Andhra Pradesh, I have seen everything. In India, I am telling you, it is a happening place. We are having 3-4 advantages. One advantage, we started economic reforms 1991. We adopted first more advantage of information technology mid-90s. Only the country in the world demographic dividend advantage. Young population is huge in India. And also if you see our Honorable Prime Minister, very stable government. For the last 11 years, you are the Prime Minister 12th year, and also earlier he was CM, Chief Minister of a state, Gujarat, abundant experience. You can see his performance, 25 years without any hurdle, he is able to continue as Chief Minister and Prime Minister. I am very confident next election also is going to win. That is the stable government we are going to provide in India, and also investment will be safe. Apart from all these things, Europe and India, both are democratic countries. This is another biggest advantage for all of us. So what I wanted to appeal all of you, you are going to stay here 2 days, 3 days, and seeing is belief. You try one investment in India. If you are convinced, then everybody can come. I am not marketing, I am not pressurizing, but I am appealing lot of opportunities in India. All opportunities will start from Andhra Pradesh. This will be gateway for India to enter our markets. That is what I wanted to emphasize you. And also, in course of time, we will work together. This is a track record. This is a brand we built over a period of 3 decades now. I have seen different periods. It is very, very inspiring. There are challenges, there are opportunities. If you convert every challenge into an opportunity, nothing will stop us. That is where we are thinking in a big way. We are having very, very ambitious plans for our province. 3 trillion US economy, 2.4 trillion US economy by 2047. 100 years back, if you see, 1947, we got independence. Now, 2047, I am telling you, India will be #1 economy. Nobody can stop. It is unstoppable. This is going to happen. Because that is the strength and also inherent advantages India is enjoying. Now, it is all of us together. Even I have seen, being a history student, I studied European history, civilization, everything. That is your strength. Now, if you can come with your proposals or anything, even education, I am very happy. If you can come, we can work together how to take forward. With all these things, again, you are going to experience very good hospitality. Even in advance, I am requesting you to come next year. You can see the change here. People, dignitaries, I welcome to Visakhapatnam and also have a sweet memories and also have a good business. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you, one and all.
Ladies and gentlemen, we heard what an excellent presentation that could be, from ease of doing business to cost of doing business to speed of doing business. Congrats, Chief Minister, on the phenomenal achievements in the just last 12-13 months we've seen.